Before you decide to hate me, understand I know what it's like to be broke, and worse than being broke, I know what it's like to just barely get by month after month. 250 million people in the wealthiest country on the planet are barely making it. I am not talking about the people on food stamps or unemployment. I am talking about people making an average of $48,000 to $68,000 annually. Consider that. Almost 75% of all Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. You are having money issues because you have money issues. Here are a few of them. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to stay tuned on The Brainy Time, a place for success. We love you. 10 reasons why some people don't have money, make sure to watch to the end. Number 1. Living with mommy. Most Americans live within 25 miles of their mothers. If you want to make real money, it's time to disconnect from mommy and all things familiar. It is time to move away and go where there is opportunity. You aren't saving money by still living at your parents' house. You are missing opportunities. My life didn't change until I moved away from my hometown at the age of 29. Number 2. Economic illiteracy. Most people are economically illiterate. People are going to college and don't even understand basic economic terms. Economy is defined as household management or management of resources. Manage means to be in charge and succeed in surviving, especially against heavy odds. To manage your own economy means you have to create money by playing offense in the marketplace. Number 3. The budget blockhead mindset. Spending all of your time trying to budget. Money is a way to guarantee you never have money. Your daddy told you. A penny saved is a penny earned. Wrong. It's just a penny. Having a budget blockhead mindset means you are playing defense, not offense. Number 4. Politicians, the Easter Bunny and Santa Claus. This idea that a politician can save the middle class, has been tried, tested, promised and failed for the last 50 years. Almost every economic indicator has worsened. If politicians could save the middle class, they would have already. Number 5. Financial apathy. People have become apathetic regarding their finances and quit looking at it. You can't have money if you don't pay attention to it. Admit to where you are financially and start paying attention to your money. Acting like there is no problem doesn't make the problem go away, it makes it worse. My wife and I need to discuss the topic of money every week regardless of our financial situation. Number 6. Entitlement issues. The unwillingness to do the jobs no one else wants is why people don't have money. The entitlement problem is not just for the lower economic level, but hits all the way to the top. Everyone wants to be the director, CEO, the manager. A writer, well, guess what? Someone has to do the selling. Number 7. Maybe tomorrow. The third reason that people don't become wealthy is procrastination. People always have a good reason not to begin doing what they know they need to do to achieve financial independence. It is always the wrong month, the wrong season, or the wrong year. Business conditions in their industry are no good, or they may be too good. The market isn't right. They may have to take a risk or give up their security. Maybe next year. There always seems to be a reason to procrastinate. As a result, they keep putting it off month by month, year by year, until it's too late. Even if it has occurred to a person that they can become wealthy and they have made a decision to change. Procrastination will push all their plans into the indefinite future. Poverty comparisons. The idea that your financial situation is better off than someone that is starving does not make your financial situation any better. Those just getting by try to make sense and justify their financial situations by finding others that are worse off. That's financial suicide. Number 9. 9 to 5 bitching. I work 95 hours a week. And most people complain about 9 to 5 schedules. If you aren't working and thinking about how to get ahead before, during and after work, you aren't getting ahead. I have never known anyone that was financially successful that wasn't all in all the time. If your money situation sucks, you must admit it. The first step to any makeover or recovery is to admit you have a problem, and the second step is to quit blaming others, depending on others to fix it, and trying to make sense of it. Confront where you are, put your attention on income, not saving. Be willing to do whatever job for however long to fix your situation and make it your duty, obligation and responsibility to get your financial life in order. Money isn't the most important thing. It won't make you happy. But neither of those truths Makes it okay for you to not have money to take care of your family and create the life you want. Number 10. Make a decision. The second reason that people don't become wealthy is that they never decide to. Even if a person reads a book, attends a lecture, or associates with people who are financially successful, nothing changes until he makes a decision to do something different, even if it occurs to the person that he could become wealthy if he just did certain things in a specific way. If he doesn't decide to take the first step, he ends up staying as he is. If you continue to do what you've always done, you'll continue to get what you've always got. The primary reason for underachievement and failure is that the great majority of people don't decide to be successful. They never make a firm, unequivocal commitment or definite decision that they are going to become wealthy. They mean to, and they intend to. And they hope to, and they're going to, someday. They wish and hope and pray that they will make a lot of money, but they never decide, I am going to do it. This decision is an essential first step to becoming financially independent. Thank you for watching. Which ones will you implement today? Leave your answer in the comments and we'll be sure to give some extra motivation to those of you who like and engage with us. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends on social media and leave your comments on the comments section. We'll be giving to you the more video like this. Check our channel to see more video we have for you. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. On the Brainy Time, we love you.